Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 73 of the Spitfire. Some fuselage parts, looks like it's going to be the bit that kind of goes between the fuselage and the wings, and a plastic support of some description, and a couple of bags of screws. All checked off, all in good nick, no scratches or anything like that. So yeah, just going to get this fitted onto the model. This will be issue 73. Okay, so first thing it's asking us to do, or we need to do, is to fit this bracket support, whatever you want to call it. What did they call it actually? Let's have a look. It's interior support. And it just goes over this motor here. It does say note the orientation. It seems like there's a little hole, and that goes towards the engine. So just popping that down there, make sure I'm not catching any wires or cables or anything. There is the main motor cable there. Yeah, it seems okay. Yeah, and then fitting that in with KB 2x4mm screws. So it's the KB 2x4, not the silver ones. KM, it's KB, it's the black screws. Came with this pack. Okay, that's that done. Fit it on, it's just a port, subscription. Take care not to over tighten the front screws. I haven't over tightened them. They're still in. Okay. Then tells me to take these fuselage sections. So you've got these fuselage sections, and then you just got to kind of put them across each other. We've got like a little tab, some screw holes. Fits together like that, and the KM screws, and two of the KM screws, which are the silver screws. Okay, that's what that kind of looks like. Just put together. It goes in that orientation there. You've just got to kind of check, fit it, make sure it fits in correctly, which it seems to. You've got two screw holes there and two screw holes there. And then you cut KB screws on the three front ones. Okay, and on back. Okay, so. And the silver screw just goes in the back here. Okay. And that's that. Done. That section fitted. Okay, so that was issue 73 done there. Yeah, that's side fuselage panel and that support. 74 is going to be fuselage panel for the left side. So just, yeah, doing the same that we did on that side, but on the other side. So that will be issue 74, and that will be coming up soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.